This is a tire cleaning video on my lathe here. These are TT02 tires. You can see the outside. This is my front right tire where I don't sauce. It's got quite a bit of texture on it. And I will clean first with simple green. And you can see here I'm cleaning away, getting some residue off. And let's stop it for just a sec. You can still see there's quite a bit of that texture. I can't quite tell if it's built up on the surface or if it's sort of actually the tire itself. Okay, now I'm going to compare with a little cleaning with, so this is the area that it was with cleaning with simple green. I'm going to go to a clean area and use a little bit of brake cleaner. And you can see here now the brake cleaner is taking a lot more of the something out because it's turning the rag a lot more black. I've heard that brake cleaner is very harsh for tires and simple green's better. I'm not really sure. I've been using both, to be honest. And you can see here, this was the simple green area and the brake clean area. And let's go back to a little bit of simple green here, see what it does. Okay, now there's some more stuff coming off still. Okay, let's go to a dry patch and dry this off. Okay, so it seems like I've gotten some of that textury stuff off. Let's give it one more drying. Okay, so we've got some of the texturing off. Oh, my gloves are just a little wet. But you can see here, pretty clean. I'll probably do a little bit more brake cleaning on this now. See what we get off. Okay, oh wow, you can still see a lot of stuff coming off. But anyway, that's